Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm at 814 27th Street here in Oakland, and we're about to go into Unit F. But first I want to share with you this courtyard area, which is absolutely beautiful and so much fun to come out here on these warm days. And then as I direct you right into the sun, I want to point to you, there's a secured private parking lot there. So what I want you to do is when you come to visit this property, I want you to tell the agent that you want to park there so you don't have to look for parking in the neighborhood, okay? So make sure that you mention that to the agent so they'll let you in. Okay, so as we walk in here, we are greeted by a huge room. Look at this. You have full-size range, that's a 5-burner gas range, oven, of course, that's part of the range. The microwave, big deep sink, and then the stainless appliance. You have a fan right here. We don't need it today, but on warm days it's nice. And then also you have the white plank vinyl flooring. These are really nice floors and lots of cabinet space, of course. This would be, of course, the living room, dining room, and then kitchen area. Okay, let's go into the bedroom next. Again, tall ceilings, which is really nice. It gives you really a sense of space. Window treatments throughout. So you notice all the windows have window treatments. And then you have a nice sizable closet here too to hang your clothes, and maybe you can put a little dresser in there as well. Turning around, we have the bathroom, but first let's look at another closet. So this is a great linen closet or just general storage. Lots of space here. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. Medicine cabinet, brilliant for putting your toothbrush, toothpaste, all those medicines, anything you need, and that so you're not cluttering the countertops here. Bathroom, and this is somewhat of a brick wall too, so that's really nice. It's really, you feel the insulation from the sound, and then you have a full-size shower. Okay, again, tall ceilings. It's really a sense of space in here. And then you have the gas heat. So when opposite the days that you need the fan, you want to keep warm, you have that. And then that's a good coat closet that's right next to the fire extinguisher there. Anyway, so if you're interested in this property, give us a ring. We have open houses. Again, let us know if you want to park in the private secured parking lot. Again, that's a huge bonus, and because that does come included with the space. So we want you to take advantage of that right from the go. All right, cheers, bye-bye.